Digital marketing is an exciting career choice today. India needs over 150,000 digital marketing professionals in the next 12 to 18 months. Top brands in key sectors such as FMCG, automobile, e-commerce, finance, durables, fashion, etc. are spending about one-third of the total marketing spends on digital marketing. With digitization and Digital India impacting all sectors, trained digital marketers will see higher salary growths too. Become a digital marketing specialist and get expertise in the ever-expanding digital marketing ecosystem. Learn from top digital marketers about Google AdWords, SEO, social media, Facebook, blogs, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, mobile marketing, web analytics, and much more. Our faculty include digital marketing leaders from organizations like LG, Google, Ogilvy, Dentsu Web Chutney, Airtel, OLX, etc. Along with the hands-on technical expertise, the 360-degree approach to placement at Bridge School ensures that you are industry-ready from day one. To know more about Bridge School of Management and Digital Marketing Programs, log on to www.bridgesom.com or call us at 1-800-102-4500.